Where is this woman? Let's go now, Danny. Ha! Okay. What are you wearing? What is this on your face, for God's sake? What is this? What are you wearing? You're wearing clothes. Adane, you're wearing clothes. Eh? In this time and season, who wears bed sheets? No, Adane, in this, who dresses like this? What is this on your face? Did you call some makeup? Is this some makeup?
I'm not wearing bed sheet now. This is skirt and this is blouse.
Blouse. Skirt and blouse. What is that? What is this? What are you posing? What are you posing for? What do you think you're wearing? What are you posing for now? And then what are you wearing, for God's sake? What is this? And then what is this? Look at yourself, look at your shoe. My God.
Husband, please, let's go. We're getting late.
Let's go where? You and who? Go where? You and who? Go where? Together? Never.
You're my husband.
And then you say, I gave you money. Abi, what did you do with the money that I gave to you to buy new clothes?
I used it to do something more important.
Then you used the money that I gave to you to buy clothes. To do what? How did that end up here now? How now? From where to where? Listen, that I agreed to marry a village girl doesn't mean my life will be real totally. And then after all my shakara, my ball in the city, fine boy like me, a graduate, not just another graduate, better graduate. Look at how and what I ended up with. Look at what I ended up with. Look at it. A bag of nothing, garbage. Listen,
let's go. We're getting late. You're my husband and my wife. We're supposed to go everywhere together.
I am using anything to serve to beg you. Listen, you go this way. Why me? I go this way. You and I will not follow the same route. Don't even try it.
I'm your wife. I'm going to follow you anywhere you go.
Don't follow me. Follow me first. If not, I will not strike you this afternoon. I'm not going.
I'm not going on now. Let's go now.
Go your own now. But once we go together, look at your face. In the name of God that you serve, please go this way. And then me, I will go this way. Anytime I placenta to get now, Abi. Very good. At least for once, you listen to me. Let me go to where. Follow me first now. If not, I will not follow you up.
Chief. Hey, good afternoon, sir.
Always right, always
pretty.
What have I done again?
Chief, what have you not done? Every time you are always gorgeously dressed. You don't want to get old. I don't understand.
No. Don't worry, I will not get old. You want me to get old and then slide through and go up. There is still so much to look out for. So much to enjoy. Life is good.
Life is good though. Actually, I was going to your house.
Yes, sorry, really sorry about this. I know that Oma did not give you the message, right?
No, she gave me the message.
Oh, she did?
Yes, she did.
Okay.
She told me that you said that Chibo will be coming back very soon.
Yes. So that means you have enough time to get prepared.
Exactly.
Good.
When she returns.
That's great. Fine. So.
Chief, there's something I want to Emeka told me that Chibu has finished building that his mansion, that is big edifice.
Oh yes,
So I wonder what you're still doing in your old house. You should be living there and be enjoying life.
Don't you see how big the house is? Yeah? So you want me to go in there, move from one end to the other, without seeing anybody, without talking to anybody? I will die of you. Let me still stay where I can control until he returns. And both of us will now move into the big house.
Child.
Yes.
You're right, Chief.
Loneliness, Adram.
At all. Loneliness is not good at all. Hey, let me start going.
Yes, in back. We're going the same way. The same way. I know the salah.
You know that this cowboy.
No, don't worry. It's the party I'm doing.
Oh. You better go. I don't want that.
See, this girl, you're still following me. What? You're still following me, Abi? Adane, what kind of problem have I got myself into? What is all this now, Adane? Leave me alone now. Must you follow me?
Yes, I must follow you because you're my husband. And this road is not meant for you.
Adane. Adane. What have I got myself into? Adane.
Well, why is none of you saying anything?
Chief, ask this human being. Ask this animal fowl. This human being that we eyebrow like Nigeria, boundary between Nigeria and Cameroon. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is this how a woman, a young girl, should dress? Look at her hair. She calls this makeup, Chief. What about the shoes? See, I'm like that of Jehovah's Witness. Look at this, Chief. Eh? No, I can't take this. No. I can't take this. No, I can't take this one. No.
Emeka, Chief. It's enough.
I'm sorry, Chief.
If her dressing actually irritates you, what did you do?
Chief, I did everything. I did practically everything.
Yes.
To the extent that I gave her money to buy herself new clothes. Ask Madam Koke what she did with the money.
Adane, your husband gave you money. What did you do with the money?
I used it to buy some goods to add to my business.
Try.
I said I used it to buy some goods to add to my business.
Chief, see my life now. No, see my life. Look at what I finally ended up with. I wish my parents were still alive to see the nonsense, the mess they've cost me. See, who do me this thing? Who do me this thing?
Emeka! Chief. Emeka. Sorry. Take it easy. Come on. Your parents meant well for you. Listen, my son. Your late father was my brother. I hope you know that. That he asked you to come home to the village to marry. It's not a curse. It is actually a blessing.
A blessing. Chief, I'm sorry. There's a misinterpretation of that word in this village. A blessing. This one, Adane, a blessing. Nah, this girl can never be a blessing. This girl is a curse. She has brought me nothing but pain.
Hey, come on. Don't talk that way. Your parents meant well for you. Yes.
Chief. See, there are still good girls in the city. No? Respectful girls in the city that will love me and make my parents proud. I can't go down for this. She's making my life miserable. I'm tired. Beg.
Emeka. Don't get tired. You will not get tired. Do you hear me? I am still insisting that your parents meant well for you. And I want to reiterate that this girl is a blessing. She can't be a curse. Huh? Are you a curse?
I am a blessing.
Say it again.
I am a blessing.
She's not a curse. See, my son, both your parents and our ancestors actually had it enshrined that people in this village, especially the men, must come back to the village and get married. Marry people from the village. Marry girls from the village. And it was for a purpose. See, by doing so, it fosters the spirit of unity, one purpose. You understand? It makes the people look back. Remember the village they came from. You understand? That's the whole thing. So your parents actually meant well for you. And listen, this girl here, this girl you're looking at here is not a curse to you. She is a blessing. You're a blessing.
I am a blessing.
Say it again.
I'm a blessing.
So what? You want something to drink?
Malt.
Malt. Emeka, loosen up. You want malt? You will get malt. You don't want the beer. Eh?
This one will drink beer. This one that's on a norm. We won't talk without drinking beer.
Emeka is alright. You see, I hope you know that your brother is coming back tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay? So you have to get prepared. Huh? Adanne, I hope you know that.
Yes,
Chief. Excuse us. Go and check customers.
Go and take the malt.
I take the malt.
Don't take my malt if you don't want to. Don't go down today. Don't take my
Adanne.
malt. We take the best.
Adanne, take malt. Malt.
Chief.
Yes.
I've been meaning to tell you this. You know your son. And I know him too well to tell you that I agreed to marry a village girl doesn't mean Chibu will do same. Chief, Chibu might come home with a city girl.
Chibuzo.
Yes.
Come home with a city girl. No. Not Chibuzo. Yes. No. Not the Chibuzo that's my son. In fact, manage this girl God has given you well. Chibuzo return here home with a city girl? No way. Okay. Now that we're here now.
Get you something.
Yes, a drink. like nkwabi, yeah?
Okay, sir.
Pepper soup.
All right, sir.
Adani. Listen. My son-in-law, which is your sister's husband to be. In fact, your brother-in-law is coming tomorrow. So I want your sister to look very, very pretty. Very befitting for the status of the man that is coming to ask for her hand in marriage. Now, thank God you're here. So like I'm saying, Adani, I want you to, get her fine clothes. But why am I even talking to you? You that doesn't know how to dress. Okay, do you know how to dress? You don't know how to dress, you don't know how to keep a home. So why would I even be telling you to take care of your sister? I'm even making the wrong statement self.
I don't understand. Do you even bother to hear from me?
To hear what? No, what do you have to say? Okay, no problem. I'm all ears. Hey, stop it! Stop it! You are listening. Anytime you are giving money to solve a particular problem, you end up using it to solve something that is not relevant at all. Don't behave like your sister. Don't even look at her. Don't follow her footsteps. So that you make a very good home. Makonyanka doesn't know anything. She doesn't know her left from her right. The only thing she knows is to paint her face like one masquerade.
What is makeup now? What do you mean?
Makeup. 7 colors of the rainbow. You would have added blue and green so that you will be complete.
You don't want to spoil my makeup, man.
Stop rubbing this rubbish on your face now. No, I will beat you. I will slap you. Don't follow your sister's footsteps. That is what I'm saying. And you're here collecting her makeup to be rubbing on your face. Smarter now, when you get married, you go to your husband's house and you begin to misbehave. Because this one doesn't know anything she's doing in her husband's house. Do not follow her footsteps. You know the person you want to get married to, Chibozo. He doesn't tolerate nonsense. He is a no-nonsense man. Obroko, this one that is marrying Emeka, that tolerates her nonsense. Chibozo, city boy. Other from Madu. You gotta go. But I trust you. You don't behave like her. You know. Not you really. Nonsense.
If it, I'll slap you.
Come on, stay one place. I'm still talking. Stop doing all this. Your cha. That is the only thing you know how to do. Now listen very well. If all of you in particular, now that you're about to get married, because this one is already married, there is no more room for you people in this house. Yes, no room for you in this house.
My father's house.
Shut up your mouth. Which one is your father's house? In case you go there and cause all this your troubles, don't come back here. Don't come back here because nobody will receive you. I will not receive you in this house. You know? Stop that thing now. I said don't behave like it. Now you see these children. It's okay. You come and go to your house. Come on, get.
This is my father's
Get up and out!
Why are you chasing me?
Go!
Mama, I bought this clothes expensive.
No, cracker. This one last grade of a cracker. Lie down and bend. Lie down and select. Not even bend down. Go on, enter house. Enter! Come on, enter. Hey, Diana! Enter. They don't want to hear you. Hey, enter house. Where? You, come on, where are you going? Come back. You want to bend her lips so that she'll start looking like a masquerade. Nonsense. And you let me see that thing in your face. I will use this thing and break your head. Are you stupid? How can you be following your sister that doesn't know anything? She doesn't know her left from her right. What? Enter. Go and continue with what you are doing. Continue. Go. Continue going.
Yo, Marriage is sweet, a beautiful union.
Look at her. Look at that shoe. I'm Jehovah's Witness. Look at that shoe. Face up. See bed sheet.
I know I scared for too much. Only
You swear for me. What have happened to myself?
With love and understanding, we can face the storm. Le 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 le. Nobody.
Why are my brothers back?
Oh, the way you they dress.
I did not pack them. I arranged it so that you won't stress yourself tomorrow.
How? I don't understand.
Listen, I know Chibu. I know Chibuzo. That boy is a crazy person. He will laugh my soul out of my body if he sees you dressed like this. If Chibu sees the woman that they owe me a maker later ended up with, dressed like this, I'm finished. Adane, if you disgrace me tomorrow, Adane, if you wear this nonsense and embarrass me tomorrow in front of Chibuzo, no need to stress yourself. Just come back home. No need to pack your bags. Carry your bags. Leave my house in peace. Peacefully, oh, because if I return to this house and I found you in it, then just get ready to die. Your family should just be ready for funeral because something bad will happen to you. It's very simple. Because oh God. Don't come back to this house, oh.
Stop worrying me.
I want more thing. Sorry. This is your armpit. When are you going to shave? When? Don't open it, please. You know, please don't open the armpit. Don't just drop it. Yes, just like that. You know what will happen if that thing raise? Just don't stop doing this. Don't open this armpit now. Adane, you have refused to shave. I have bought rolls and rolls of shaving stick. I almost give you shizu to use, and if shizu will help, still you won't shave. I don't know if you're trying to start up a business for rabbits, because the hair in your armpit is enough to make like 4 Ghana weaving for 4 heads. Even this head I'm seeing your armpit now is enough to start this rabbit business. Since you don't want to shave it, stop opening his armpit now. What is all this? Don't open his armpit now. I've had enough today. Please, since you refuse to shave, let us start something. Even if you want to do, I don't know, this Brazilian weave from the hair, let us just do something with it, but shave. I don't need shave. Shave now, please now. Should I keep good for you to shave your armpit? I don't even shave your armpit now. I bought you the shaving stick, I bought the chisel. You chisel or use something, just shave. Look at how fit, look at you. No problem. Come back to this house tomorrow.
Marriage is sweet, a beautiful union.
It's not like it's smelling, it's not smelling that much, but
I want you to change.
hey!
Let's make this marriage work.
Oh, shit.
I know I scared for too much, only little adjustment. Yeah.
I've been meaning to tell you this. You know your son, and I know him too well to tell you that I agreed to marry a village girl doesn't mean Chibu will do same. Chibu might come home with a city girl.
Marriage is sweet, a beautiful union. And I want the best for us. I want you to change. Let's make this marriage work. I'm not asking for too much, only little adjustment. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hi. With love and understanding, we can face the storm. Le, 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 le.
Oh, eh? Are you not supposed to be sleeping by now? You have a big day ahead of you. I'm not supposed to be awake. Oh man. Why would you say it?
Okay, what if he brings another woman home?
Oh man!
A city girl, Mama. A city girl.
He's not going to bring anybody.
What if?
With love and understanding, we can face the storm. Le, 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 le. Nobody fit contest. Oh, the way you they dress, the way you they talk, the way you they do. Your Kalashin know they walk well. I don't want to cheat on you. I just want to day by you. No matter the weather, no matter the condition, all I ask is for you to change. Just a little shift, and everywhere goes soft. Le, 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 le. With love and understanding, we can face the storm. Love and understanding, baby, more.
That is one aging backwards. Which one be backwards?
Which one is aging backwards?
Nazu.
He's just teasing us because you're the one looking so fresh as fresh morning wine. You have
a way you want. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah, by the way. Hey, how are you? Yes, you're welcome. By the way, where's Emeka? I've not seen him.
I'm here, bro. I'm fine. Look at you. My bro. Looking fresh, yo.
Yes.
Very, very.
Bachibu, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Don't tell me you've forgotten her.
Hey, come on, why would I forget Omalicha? The beautiful Omalicha. I think she's growing more beautiful by the day.
Thank you.
Omalicious.
Welcome. Hi. Imakazi.
I don't quite seem to remember your face.
Come on now. You don't remember Adane? Adane? Yes.
Adane.
Yes, and she's now...
Oh! Omalicha's elder sister.
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh, Adane, how are you?
And
Fine.
she is now Emeka's wife.
What?
Emeka's wife. Yes.
Chupa Emeka.
That's his wife now. It's your wife, Emeka.
Leave it, please. Home your wife now.
My family.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma.
Yes, meet Linda. She's beautiful. She's educated, sophisticated, classy, endowed, and oh, she's extremely good in the other room. And she's a woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
I don't understand.
Okay, I'll explain to you. So she's the person I want to marry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mama, wait for your mother now.
Mama, what is it? What is it? Yeah, you, I said I'm fine. Stop following
Mama,
me.
you're not fine.
I am fine.
You're not fine now. I can see you are very annoyed. You're angry. Hey.
See, I understand how you feel, but you just have to calm down now. Adame, you understand what I feel. I don't know, you don't have an answer of the feeling that is going through me right now. You don't! Mama, I told you. I asked you, I said, Mama, what if he comes home with another woman? Mama, he came home with a city girl. Mama, he embarrassed me. How am I supposed to walk the streets of this village knowing fully well that that man embarrassed me in front of everyone, Mama? And I told you. Sorry. She's not even fine, Seth.
Go follow her. Run after her before she will do something stupid. Mama, remove your shoe and start running. Oh my head! Run after her now!
Amy. So, good. What's happening actually? Because I don't seem to understand that. I don't know why he's trying to embarrass me like this.
You think so? You think he embarrassed you? So you were the one that slapped him in the face before everyone, made him look like a fool, a liar, like a man that cannot keep to his words.
Okay, what exactly are you talking about?
Why are you acting like you don't know what I'm saying? Chibi, why are you acting like if you don't know you were supposed to get married to a girl from this community?
Oh.
Yet you brought in another woman from the city, introduced her to your father in the presence of the girl and the family.
Now I see what this is all about. The last time I recall, I never asked for that help in getting me a wife, or anyone's help in getting me a wife. I can get a woman for myself.
My late father used to say, a child that does not acknowledge or respect tradition has forgotten the face of his father.
And what's that supposed to mean? Linda, what is it? What is it? What is it?
It's obvious your dad do not like me.
Hey, come on, why would you say something like that? Of course my dad likes you.
Wait, are you going to lie to my face? I saw what happened down there.
Come on, the least thing I expect from you is just this lashing out and all this complaint. Of all people, you should understand better, and I had a handful out there, only for you to come add to it. Stop it, I don't like it. Come on. I would not have to put up with my dad finish and had to come put up with you.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know how it is. Family can be a handful.
Yeah, of course.
I'm sorry, baby. Come here, let me ease your stress.
You just have a way of doing this.
I know, right?
You just have a way of doing this. Don't smoke.
Okay.
Yes.
And then what other option do I have than to cry? What other option do I have? You still have your life ahead of you. A bright one at that. So stop this.
Oh goodness. Is she still crying?
Don't know like good. She's still crying.
Hey. Memo. My angel. Stop crying. Oh? That one doesn't want your tears.
At all.
Wipe your tears. No? It's not the end of the world. Oh, no manager. Akuko. You won't make the man over do it. And let's go inside. Oh? Come on, let's go inside. Hey. Mom, stop crying. Eh? A better husband will come. Haponya. Hey. Memo. It's okay now.
Dad, please open the door. It's me, Chibuzo, please. Dad, please open the door. I've not heard from you or seen you since yesterday. Please. Dad? Dad? Okay, at least say something so I know that you're okay. Dad? Are you looking for me?
Of course I was. What is it? What are you doing here? Come outside.
I don't know, my father has refused to.
Babe. You know it's past noon. And I've not eaten this morning. Can we please order something for lunch? I'm hungry.
Are you being serious right now? Are you for real? I was trying to tell you that my dad hasn't stepped out of his room since yesterday. And all you had to do was to tell me about you being famished or being hungry.
Babe, please.
And to top it all, the painful part is that you had to cut me off when I was trying to explain to you.
Babe, please. I want to understand something. Did you bring me to this village to starve? I mean, if your father chooses to be in his room as long as he wants, allow him. What does that have to do with me?
Linda.
Babe, please. Order something. I'm starving. Please.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Babe. Chibu.
Chibu, what are you doing here?
I need your help. Papa has refused stepping out of his room since yesterday.
What?
Yes.
And you are just telling me this now?
I didn't know. I didn't know. Come on, I didn't know until recently. I didn't know it was this serious. And I am so confused right now.
Oh yes, you're confused right now. You're confused now. Chibu, you better pray nothing happens to that man. You better do pray nothing happens to Chief.
And what's it like that?
You know exactly what I'm talking about. You do. So please keep quiet. Let me think. What is this? You know, Chief will come out of his room only if he hears her voice.
And by her voice, who are you talking about?
Omar. Listen. You know, Chief loves you. You know he loves you like a daughter, like his own child. And I know you love this man too. You treat him so well, like he's your father. I see the way you care for him. I see the way you look after him. And I appreciate that. Please, for the sake of the Chief, please, manager, please.
Just to add to what he said, I know I am the last person you want to see right now. And you must despise me.
Please. I don't despise anyone. Not one bit. What I despise is the mockery that comes with your house. Because once I step foot in that house, the insult that comes with it is what I cannot deal with. It's not like you're worth it. You're not even worth it. I'm not fighting over a man. And I will never fight over a man. You're not worth it though. You're not worth it. Yes, Mama.
Oh, stop it, Oma. Why are you talking to somebody like that? Especially Chibuzo. Eh? It's just little misunderstanding that both of you had. All you need to do is just resolve it amicably. Okay? Stop all these things. You don't have to talk to him like that. You go. Oma, if you truly know that you still care about Chief, or you have anything for Chief, please go and help him the way you used to do. Okay?
It's not like I don't want to go and help him out. Oh, Mama, whenever I go to that house, City Oga's wife will be talking to me anyhow. And she would think that I came to come and take her husband away from her. And Mama, I'm not after anybody's husband though. I'm not after anybody's husband. I just wanted to take care of Papa the way I used to take care of him, and that's it.
But you have been helping Chief with or without marriage. And then don't stop. Oh? Just go and help him out. You know?
Now you are talking.
Sir.
Oh, wow. It smells nice in here. My father-in-law, you finally decided to come out. What do you guys have here?
Hey! What's that? What did you just want to do?
I was only trying to eat.
Put a finger in the food I'm supposed to be eating, or what? Azukwaragazo. Ibonyala. Obuni ibonyala pupu kwagi chain. Chain your legs, chain your hands.
Old man, I know you don't like me. I can take any insult from you, but you see you insulting me because of this nonsense? That I won't take. Chibu, stray your door.
What?
Okay?
Linda. Dad, please. Dad, I'm sorry. Daddy. Hey, dog.
Papa, don't you think you're taking this too far?
Taking what too far? Huh? Come on. This girl insulted me in the presence of my son. And he did nothing, huh? Nothing!
Papa, you might be concluding, no? You might be inside now, scolding her for what she did. Do you think your son would allow any woman at all, no, anyone on earth, speak to his father like this? Did you not see the shock on his face? Eh?
Well, at least he should have done something.
Something? Like
Yes!
What? Like what? Bitter? Papa, are you not the one that said that you taught your son not to eat women? Eh?
You should have asked her to pack her things and leave. Yes. And even as we speak, who knows what they are doing there? Both of them putting their lips together. I mean, licking their lips. Just like that.
It's called kissing.
What?
Kissing. Yeah, kissing.
And what's funny about that?
Papa, I'm not laughing at you. It's just that Papa, I'm not laughing at you. I am just happy that you're smiling again. Papa, they said you've not eaten since yesterday. Yeah? But it's not possible now since Oma is here. And I've made food now. So, should I get the food for you? So you eat. I'm coming.
That's it now. That's how a good girl behaves. Well-mannered. Willing to take care of the old people. Yes, that's a good girl.
You called my dad a dog. What else came over you, Linda? I am talking to you.
Oh, please. I can hear you. Stop shouting on my head. Were you not there when he was raining insults on me? What did you do? Nothing. You were just sitting down there staring. Oh, so because I retaliated, I'm now the bad person, right?
Can you just hear yourself speak? Are you even making any sense right now? Okay, let's take it for example that your own father scolds you for being upset at you and you would retaliate. Or isn't it obvious? If you can disrespect my dad, what else is to expect from you treating your dad in such condescending manner?
Listen, my father will never insult me in that manner.
Really? Okay, now you will go downstairs and apologize to my dad. Right now.
What?
You heard me.
Over my sexy ass. Do no such thing.
Meaning?
Meaning, I will do no such thing.
Linda. Linda. Linda.
This is serious. You, this girl. Come inside now. Why didn't you say something?
But I knew if I'd said something, you wouldn't let me in. Honestly, I know I've caused you so much pain. I must have hurt you deeply by my decisions and everything. I sincerely apologize. And also I apologize on behalf of Linda. Please. I am sorry, forgive her.
So, you're saying she's leaving this house, or you still want to marry her?
Daddy, I am only apologizing on her behalf. Please.
You have not answered my question.
Hi. Would you want some food? There's still some remaining in the pot, so you can get some if you want. Or after serving, Papa will come and serve.
I know what you're trying to do.
Yes. You're trying to play cool.
Little Miss Perfect. But Miss Flash, she is mine. Okay?
Okay. Congrats.
I know how to deal with you. Okay?
I know how to do it.
You think little church rat like you can come in here and take my man away from me? You lie. Okay? Nonsense.
But Dad,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you two are here. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay.
It's fine.
Papa, I have to leave now. It's the last son of the day, and I need to go and help my mother with the evening chores. But I'll still come and check up on you later. I promise.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Oma, please wait.
Do you need something? Is Papa calling me?
No. Relax. Actually, I just wanted to say thank you for coming back. And thank you for also taking care of Papa. Thank you for everything.
That's a lot of thank yous. You're welcome. But Chibu, I have to go now.
Can I make one request?
Yeah.
Please, can you take away the brother from the brother Chibu? Chibu is just fine. Besides, I'm not that old.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Take care, okay?
Seems you're beginning to like her.
I don't understand.
Are you choosing her over me?
What's all this about?
I saw the way you were looking at her.
It seems like you're out of your mind. Come on, I only met her to show my appreciation to her for everything she has been doing while I was away for Papa, and everything she's also doing since I returned in taking care of Papa. It's only necessary that I extend my gratitude towards her.
Really? That's all?
That's all. Like that?
Bring food now before the food don't come to us if you know they come.
I'm here already.
No, there's no need now. There's no pillow to sleep. Please drop food, drop food. Disclose it. Stay. What was that? What's meaning of that one? Adani, are you not ashamed of yourself? You should be ashamed. What is this? What are you wearing? Look at you. A young girl like you, flapping rapper, like an old woman. What is this?
Why would I learn if you don't teach me?
And then you and I know I have done everything to inculcate sense into this your foolish brain. There is no day I don't talk. Don't tie rapper. You will even use it to sew buba. Don't. Are you normal? Are you normal? I mean, what are you doing now? And then you to be sincere for once. Be truthful. If you were to be manhood, will you even have an erection? No, with this dress now, say you be bola, you can't see this kind of dressing. You go rise, touch it. What are you doing? You want to touch? Good. That is their phone. Please give me space, let me eat.
This one now. This one first.
What kind of problem is this one now? You eat before you eat. Those many hair that look like a boundary between Nigeria and Cameroon. Shave, you will not shave.
Chibuzo, you should be ashamed of yourself. Are you hearing me? Eh? So not minding that your city girlfriend poured insult on me, poured mud on me. You still can have an erection, dancing arabanko on top of your bed, and not allowing me to sleep. Listen, that girl in there can never be a daughter-in-law to me. Do you hear me? How can she? How can she be? Screaming her head off like a... What is it?
Good evening.
Yes, now. The evening will be good to you. Look at your body. Sweating in spite of this cold weather. Huh? I'm panting as if you are running up and down Kilimanjaro. What?
I'm sorry. Hey.
Sorry for what? When both of you cannot allow your father to sleep. Eh? Having sex on top of your father, and you know I'm in this house. What is wrong with you?
Sorry, there's no cause for alarm. Eh? We are done.
You're done what? What is that? Eh? Well, she wants to come. Let her come. Listen, take your time, oh. What is my good night? You want to close the door? So I've not been talking now? Eh? I've been babbling. You have been done. You are done. Done with what? That's what you should say, that you're sorry. Will you be talking on my head again? Will you be screaming on my head again? I don't know what to tell you.
You! Where's my change? See your leg like you stick. I beg it out. Good afternoon, Amma Lily. Amma. Do you know that if you were to be a football club, you wouldn't be Aston Villa?
What will I be?
You wouldn't even be Arsenal. You wouldn't be Chelsea.
What will I now be?
Manchester. Your own Manchester will be United because it's plenty.
Boy, make us stop it.
You're beautiful now.
You tease me always. Stop it. But Emeka,
yes.
My mother sent your words to me, and she said you wanted to see me.
Yes, I did. Why did you go back to your house?
But Emeka, you said my house. I went back to my father's house. Am I now an outcast?
No. That's not what I mean. It's just that you're supposed to be, in there taking care of Chief. I don't know.
Chief has a daughter-in-law to take care of him now.
Does he?
Yes. Isn't Chibu brought in a woman and he said it's his wife, so she should take over the responsibilities.
I thought as much. Listen, I know you love this man. I know you love this man like a father.
True, I do. But I don't want to go back to that house and Chibu will think I'm forcing myself on him.
Oma, listen. When it comes to the matters of the heart, it doesn't mean that the man must be the one to express himself first or show the other person how much he truly loves him or her. No. That is not it. The heart selects no gender. It gives you no peace, no rest until you have the other half by your side. Until you have that one person that makes your heart skip. That one person that makes your breath complete by your side.
What are you saying?
You know what I'm saying, Oma. You do. I know you like Chibuzo. I know you love him. You do. Deeply from your heart. You do love him. As a matter of fact, your heart breaks. It escapes. It runs 10,000 miles in a second whenever you see both of them together. And that's one reason you don't want to go back to the house. Because you don't want to see them. I understand. But the truth is, if you want Chibuzo to love you, you need to go there. Let him see you. Let him know you. Let him see the true gem that he has never seen in any woman in you. Let him see the true gem that you are. Show him the other side of true love. Oma, I know my cousin and I know how he thinks. Go there. Do your thing. Focus on why you're there. Stay close. But don't fake it. Don't. I will be right back, huh?
Every woman can change for better when the love is there for you. No matter who you marry, from city or village, once the love is there, she go improve. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village wife, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie, oh, my village wifey. Oh yes, say my village wife, oh my village.
I know you love him. You do. Deeply from your heart. You do love him. As a matter of fact, your heart breaks. It skips. It runs 10,000 miles in a second whenever you see both of them together. And that's one reason you don't want to go back to the house. Because you don't want to see them. I understand. But the truth is, if you want Chibuso to love you, you need to go there. Let him see you. Let him know you. Let him see the true gem that he has never seen in any woman in you. Let him see the true gem that you are. Show him the other side of true love.
Every woman can change for better when the love is there for you. Eh. No matter who you marry, from city or village, once the love is there, she go improve. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh. My village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh. My village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie.
You know, I thought you would never come to my bar.
Come on. Why would you say something like that? You see, you know, it's an ordinary barman you be. You're not gonna say don't build plenty mansion or they plan build different weekend massive mansion around there. You know, listen, a low-key don you be.
Low-key don. Man is tired as well. So, is everything okay?
I don't know, I like the fact that, you know, she makes father happy. But then again, I am worried.
You're worried?
Yes.
About what?
About my father and my choice. I understand that she makes father happy. Then again, I am worried.
You're worried? About what?
About Papa and my choice. See, I understand that they share this special bond, that's him and Oma. And I understand that he loves her so much. And yes, I would not take away the fact that she's also a good girl.
So, why don't you make her your wife?
Come on. I know that she's a good girl, but I need more than a good girl as my own wife.
You know, Emeka, I know you. I do. But to be clear, apart from the normal bedroom vibe, what else?
Now that's what we're talking about. The vibe. Come on, Linda ticks all the boxes for me. She knows how to do these things. She knows how to apologize when and where necessary. And she knows how to go about the apology. Like losing my belt and going down there, working on my candy, you know, the angles and everything. Come on. Of course. Like 2 hours straight, 24 hours a day, 2 days, Linda is still at it. Now guess what? From the shower to the bedroom to the shelf to the fridge top, like, man.
Emeka, are you a monster? What did happen now?
God, don't make me laugh.
Which kind of thing be that one?
Well, you know how I love these things.
I know, but what if she could do these things?
Emeka.
What if teacher, groom her, nurture her to a kind of woman you want? What if?
Yes.
Nonsense, girl!
What was that for?
She needed that slap to reset her brains. Let her go back to where she belongs.
Oh my God! You mean you walk in, laconically, like the whore you are. Then you come into this serene scene and you lift your hand on a girl I'm playing with, not minding my presence. All right. Now what if I get up, then I stand, and then I decide to slap you? Okay.
Dad, I am sorry. I am sorry for everything. My decision, I know the pain and the disgrace, the shame it brought upon this family. And it wasn't my intention to insult you. Please forgive me.
What a good son you are. So it had to take your choice of a city girl to slap me. Yeah. Buniaka ibowam. Me, your father, a titled chief. Before you could suddenly wake up to the fact that she's not the right choice. Your right choice for a wife material. Chibuzo, I am ashamed of you.
No, I'm sorry. Please. I'm very sorry. I didn't know she wasn't the right choice for me until recently, just before the incident happened. I already had a conversation with Emeka, telling him about everything and what I want, especially about Oma. Don't get me wrong, Oma is a good girl. As a matter of fact, I think Oma is a good wife material. But the thing is that...
Yeah. But what? But what?
Chief, please let me come in here. Biko, I take God beg you, please help me tell your son that nobody is begging him to marry my daughter. Okay, he's just behaving as if we are forcing on him. As what? Are you the only man in this world? What is the meaning of all this? Look at one very beautiful girl.
See? Only a foolish boy. That's a foolish boy like him. Will see a Amalicha, a fine girl, beautiful girl, well-mannered girl like Oma, and still be making shakara, ostrich, peacock.
Chief, Mama, I'm very sorry, but I think we should try and understand what Chibu is trying to say. The truth is that Chibu loves Oma. He does. He loves her, but Chibu has high libido. He's used to the city way of love making, and unlike the village own, where you just face the ceiling and you just.
Which one is a high libido?
I mean, Chibu here is doesn't get satisfied easily in the other room.
I understand. So that's what you picked from me. Belle, you should understand now.
Chief, I now understand.
What it means is that my chibi, wait, look at, Nkowa mpiali, akbuka, owanko, ibawam.
I think I now understand.
Ona maoji.
So what it means is, you know, like you woto. Yeah, go.
So, apart from love for Chibu's, the other room is very important. So the question should be, can Oma, do these things?
Perform,
Yeah, can she
withstand,
Yeah, withstand.
Cooperate,
Chibu's was just like Tipa. She's like, okay, I don't know how the...
You see, yes. You don't need to talk too much. Because all my year will not disappoint me. When I was young, if you see the way I handled the father, the father was even running away.
In other words, Oma can go ta-ta-ta without getting tired.
It's not ta-ta-ta.
You don't get problem now.
Love it.
So Oma, can you... Let's hear from her.
I'll try my best.
Hey! Oh, Molly Jambo! And I'm smiling. Everything is settled.
Come on, wait. You're very small, just small, please. Let me come now.
Come where? Where do you want to come?
Inside.
Inside where? Is that not what you said to me 6 hours ago? I am tired. Everything is failing me. Everything is just failing me.
What is happening?
I want to go.
Come, Oma! Come. Why does your wife run around with duvet?
Daddy, please just leave me alone. Leave me alone. All of this was your fault. Leave me alone. People said she was very good, so they just leave me alone. She cannot even last up to 24 hours. Just leave me alone.
Hey! 24 hours? Huh? What kind of thing is this? Is it climbing Kilimanjaro?
to kill me. Oh, he wants to kill me.
Who wants to kill you?
He wants to kill me.
Where are your clothes now?
Come. Let me look for clothes.
Leave my hand now. What is all this now? Where are your clothes? Why are you dressed like
Why are
this?
you looking for clothes? I'm telling you there is fire going on. There is fire under here.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside before passerby will begin to see you like this. So let's go inside. If you're like this now, people will be passing and be seeing you like this. Don't
Well, let's go.
Because let's go inside so you wear clothes. Oh. Hey, are you not even ashamed? Oh my eye! Oh.
Mama, don't beat me there. Mama, don't beat me there. Mama, don't beat me there.
Your clothes. Let's go inside. Now I'm as usual.
Ada.
Good morning, my husband.
Good morning, no. Ma. Come.
Eh?
Come, miss, come now. Show me. Are you trying to tell me that your ears is malfunctioning in the morning? Come, miss, come.
I'm here.
Wait for yourself. Darling, a little bit. Just come. Come close now. No, don't swing that wrapper. Don't swing it because we know what will come out. Then don't swing wrapper. It's too early for my nose to. Come on. Daniel, please listen to what I have to say. Listen to me. Learn how to be romantic as a woman. Learn how to be romantic. Eh? It is nice for a woman to be romantic. I don't understand you. There is no reason to emphasize on this thing. My husband this, my husband that, my horse, my that. No need to emphasize. Listen, everybody knows you're my wife and I am your husband. Nobody is dragging you or me. Nobody is dragging both of us. Nobody is dragging your husband from you. I'm your husband. Mistakenly and regrettably, but now what I don't see myself. I'm already in the problem. But what can I do? Everybody knows that. There is no need to emphasize on you, like I said. But you should at least most times, sweet names like honey, sweetheart, my baby, my heartbeat, those fine, beautiful names. Not even my husband. My husband. Will you eat? My husband. Hey, what? No. Eh?
I'm sorry, my husband. I'm sorry.
Oh, God. Who do me? Danny, there's nothing to be sorry. Why don't you just add the ancestors to it? It will really make sense. So, what did you just say? My husband. You can't say, I'm sorry, my ancestors. Oh, good morning, ancestors. Oh, chief, good morning, old man, good morning. I don't have strength for this morning. This is good. I think this should be enough for. I don't know, please pay attention. Please go to the market and get yourself good pants. Catapult pants. They call it G-string, but catapult, that one that has rope, that rope one, yes. Repeat after me.
Catapult pants.
Repeat. Catapult pants. Good. Sexy pants. Don't go and buy bedsheet or bedspread pants. Because it's like you have a connection with big things. Big, big. Take. Then hear me well. See, all those catapult pants that has hole, that very tiny. Yeah, that is it, just like that. Those one that they string like hair, those one that catapult pants.
Catapult pants.
I don't know why you like big pants. The ones in the house, they're even older than my mother. So get those sexy ones then, that when the man sees it, everywhere going hot. I want to enter your Jerusalem. Now you wear those big bedsheet, you look as if you want to disappear.
Sexy pants.
Catapult pants.
Catapult pants.
Good. Spread it. Let me see. Spread. Good. Thank you. I'm going to work. Hope we're good.
Yes, my husband. Sweetie.
Your father is sweet.
Chibuzo, I don't understand again. I want to talk with you. And all you do is walk away. What's happening?
I don't want to talk to you.
Huh?
I don't want to talk to you.
You don't want to talk to me. Look at you. Look at you. Your wife ran out of this place in distress. And all you could do is you turn to me and say it's all my fault.
And it's not your fault. If it's not your fault, whose fault is it then? Didn't I make my own opinion clear that I don't want all these village girls? All they do is just stay in one position and face the ceiling, and that's all. Very boring set of people. Didn't I tell you that I have this high sexual desires? Not someone that won't even last up to 24 hours or 1 day and more. I made all these things clear to you, but instead, what did you do? You did not listen to me. You couldn't even hear my own side. You couldn't even listen to my own opinion. You turned deaf ears. And now, look at us now. Look at where we are.
24 hours. Hey! Anyway, now listen. Let me make this very, very clear to you. I asked that you marry Oma. Not because of what you will do with her in your bed or whatever. Your sexual escapades, your bedmatics, your jumping up and down. No, not that. I cancelled that you marry Oma because in this village you are a son of the soil. So you must marry somebody from here to identify with this village. Besides, Oma is a good girl. A good wife material, you've seen that.
Yes, Papa, I understand. I understand everything. But come on, this isn't what we bargained for.
Will you keep your mouth shut? Mechegono. I don't want to bargain for. What did you bargain for? We bring a very good girl to you. All you think of, up, nya. Chibu, your wife ran out of here in distress. Are you not thinking about it? Eh? She ran out. And I could see the fright on her face. Who knows what you did with her in that slaughter you call a bedroom? And you come here and you're opening your mouth wide. Who knows if you have even shifted her womb apart? Listen, if I slap you, Chibuzo, if I slapped you, that your libido will run away. What is wrong with you? All the time is about your third leg. Can't you talk about something substantial, something better?
I told you, I made my mind very clear. I told you what I wanted. But you weren't listening to me. I told you, I've said my own now. I've said my own. These things make me happy. I've said my own. No. I've said my own.
Can you imagine? A full-grown man cannot talk about how to marry and manage a family. Manage his wife. Only this. Come on now, what kind of a man is it?
Marriage is sweet, a beautiful union. And I want the best for us. I want you to change. Let's make this marriage work. I'm no asking for too much, only little adjustment. Yeah. Hi. With love and understanding, we can face the storm. Le 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 le. Nobody fit contest. Oh, the way you they dress, the way you they talk, the way you they do. Your Kalashin know they walk well. I don't want to cheat on you. I just want to day by you. No matter the weather, no matter the condition, all I ask is for you to change. Just a little shift, and everywhere goes soft. Le 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 le. With love and understanding, we can face the storm. With love and understanding, baby boy. Nobody fits. No one fake contest with you. With love and understanding, we can face the storm. With love and understanding, we can face it. Nobody fits. Nobody fake contest with you, my love. My love, love, my love, love, my love, my love, love, my love, love. Hey, here go, chai, here go, here go, here go, here go, here go. Marriage is sweet.
Why are you sitting on one side of your hand? I'm not making you mad, Mom.
And I want the best for us. I want you to change. Let's make this marriage.
You don't understand. I said it's scattered. It's like he entered this side and he now changed everything inside my body. He scattered everything.
This is what other women are praying for. Eh? And you're here complaining. I don't even understand why you ran away from your husband's house. Just because of ordinary money. Ordinary Odo.
Mama, his own is not ordinary now. It's what I'm trying to tell you. Mama, this boy, he went on for like 5, 6, 7 hours, Mama.
Doing what?
Nagging me now, Mama. Let's send that. You know, say, oh my, do as if you're flying. Oh my, do as if you're hanging. Mama, why am I doing as if Mama is today that I know that they have back and front? Mama, it's not the front. What is he doing in my back? I should not turn my back. And I should, hey, Mama.
Don't let me say, okay, calm down. You see, come on, go and see Adi. Go and see Adi, but don't worry, very soon you will start enjoying it. You will learn, but you promised me that you will learn. Don't worry, very soon you will start enjoying it, and you will learn, and that time he will be the one running away from you.
Am I sure?
I'm telling you the truth. I'm very sure because I'm talking out of experience. Hey, you see your father. Hey, your father was a machine. German horsepower, oil hub. You see your father. Hey, he pushed me from kitchen straight to parlor, from parlor to dining. There was even a time our food got burnt. Our food got burnt too because he was pushing me until I learned how to do it. Hey, the one started running away from me.
And what's that one?
So no, don't worry. You will.
Why are you crying? Crying for what?
Chief, you're welcome, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, oh my daughter.
I'm sorry I ran away like that without talking to you. Please forgive me.
It's alright. What happened has happened. And you see, I'm just advising in case of future occurrence. Yeah? Because no matter what, this is bound to happen. You are there, and you know why you are there. Open your leg well. You understand? Eh? That is, there is no meter. It doesn't have meter. It opens. Now rubber. It is stretch. Open it for him. And stop complaining. Anyway, before long you will start enjoying it. Anyway, okay? Sorry about that.
Father and daughter. Never go inside. Go and rest. Sure. Okay, so why are you walking like that now? Walk well.
Am I spending me now? He's spending me.
Was it that bad?
Papa, yes, it's very, very bad though. It's very, very...
Hey! Oh yeah, I got cooling one day. Anyway, but that's how you started now. When you were just small when you came in.
It wasn't easy.
But now you won't let anybody rest. Bring it on. This side. Hey, this side.
German horsepower. Madam Chief, good. You need to talk to us. Take it easy with her. Before shift to another womb.
No. Anyway, I will talk with him. But the womb nothing can never shift the womb because there is no way it can get to the womb.
Hey!
It never gets to the womb.
Chief, you have not seen the big one, so that will move from there. I even want to come out from somebody's mouth. I'm telling you.
Come out to the mouth, eh?
I'm telling you. Anyway, Chief, don't worry. Let her rest. By the time she's done resting, she'll come back to the house.
Yes, okay.
Welcome, sir.
Baby. Come and eat now, please.
I told you I was hungry.
You don't need to tell me. You've not eaten anything since yesterday.
I'm fine. I want to eat, please.
I am sorry. I know you're angry at me and I'm sorry. But I'm trying my best and I'm trying to adapt. Eh? Oh yeah, wait. You know I'm just coming back. Why don't you just come downstairs with me and eat? After eating, After eating, I'll now give it to you any way you want it. Eh?
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure. You're my husband. It's my duty to take care of your stomach. And down there.
What's down there?
Well, you have to take it easy with me.
Yeah, sure, I will try.
Let's go eat.
How about we eat small here before we go testing? Let's eat before we go eat.
You that not eaten since yesterday. Where do you want to see the strength to go and do anything now? You are scaring me already. Let's go and eat. After eat, you'll not come and eat. Yeah?
And if I eat, I'll have extra energy. It's for your own good though. I'm a pure cool.
Let's just be going.
Like me eating 2 days non-stop. So you're holding me like this. Good. Yeah.
Come to me. Wait. Baby, wait. You don't. Papa is sleeping. And we'll be making so much noise to wake me. Let's go and rest.
Papa will be alright. Papa knows that I'm a married man. Aki must come.
Okay.
Yeah, as a married man, don't worry, I will take it slow.
Yeah? You don't think anything.
I will say no.
No, that's what you said 4 hours ago now. You said you don't used to pack. You just be driving and be driving.
I'm sorry, I will pack. How much break? Yeah?
Wait now. Wait, I'm just saying you will not match break. Let me just rest.
I promise you I'll match break. Ask Emeka, my friend. Emeka will tell you that. Don't drive off at all. I just drive at 160. Yes. Don't drive off at all. Okay.
Wait, where are we going to? It's not the bed we're going to.
Go to the shower. New experiment.
Hey! Which one is new experiment again? It's not the bed that they used to do it. Where are you
Trust
going
me, you like it, I like it.
I don't want to like it. I don't want to like it.
Shower exfoliating style. I will exfoliate that place.
Wait.
Wait.
Is it until this girl dies that Chibu will know that he should leave the girl to rest? Oh, Guinea. A man should learn to hold himself. Put it down, not always inside. Come on now. You want to kill this girl? Huh?
Papa, what is it? Eh? What is it now? Can we talk in the morning?
Chibuzo, what's wrong with you?
Oh, Papa, I'm not understanding this. I don't like what you're doing. Oh. I don't like it. Eh? When it's time for me to enjoy my own, now you will not disturb me. When you were doing your own, especially when you were much younger, nobody was disturbing you.
Eh? Are you going to kill the girl?
I was very close to coming and now you're obstructing it.
Why don't you let her rest sometime?
Okay, Papa, once I'm done, she will rest.
Papa, it's done. No, me, I want to come up. Papa, this one wants to give me. Everywhere is fire. Everywhere is hot. Smoke.
Hey, wakey. Hey. Hey, wake up. Yeah. Here.
What is that?
Your breakfast.
Breakfast?
Yes.
And why did you make me breakfast? What is your plan?
Hey, come on. There's no plan. No, okay, the thing is I just want you to regain your energy.
If I regain my energy, then what happens?
Nothing. Yes, I must come in. Oh, sorry. But you really did well last night, though. Eh? I was going and you did not stop me. You were enjoying it. To the point where you started screaming. Nyebe meow, bobo, chibo, chibozo. Nwanaya, Yurinaya. You will give you and come on. It turned me on like shit. That was great, you know. When you were screaming it, you opened everywhere.
It's okay.
Everything just soft, mede.
Okay, but wait. After breakfast, I go back to bed because I am tired.
No more. Then when you wake up, we'll plan other styles.
Which other style again?
You've not, see here, you've not put your leg here. You've not done here. You've not held this window. We'll try different time. Fridge style, I'll put you on this fridge. Come on now, I'm experienced too. City experience. You enjoy it. Sorry.
Oma Chuku.
You will live long.
You have bothered yourself now.
I decided to come this early because I know if I don't, I won't meet you at home. Hey!
You should have sent me.
I don't want to. I know you're very busy. Eh? That's why I don't want to disturb you. Now, there is something my daughter complained. So that's why I said, let me come and see you. She said that you don't touch her. That you now see her as statue.
Touching men, so she...
Exactly. That you don't do. What name is that not what you
Yes, Mama. You have not entered there since, so you have been stabbing me. Else that you say no.
Mama,
hey, what is this one?
Mama, this is I don't know what you call. I call it some questions. Mama, look at this part. Obviously, you can see that there are so many ways to Jerusalem through this. Yeah. And through this part, you can even see somebody's future. From here, you can see Benin now, Abi. Yeah. I don't know if you're seeing how many. I'll touch it too.
2 eyes.
2 eyes, Abi.
No, but this is another condition.
I took this.
Don't cut up your mouth there. Mama, look at this. And with this pants, with this bed sheet, if you were to be married, would you get an erection?
Yeah.
You go stand?
Okay, which one is if I were to be manhood? Why are you comparing me with manhood? Am I manhood? Do I look like manhood?
That's what I mean. I'm not comparing you. You just an instant. Mama, your daughter has been wearing one particular pant for the past 8 months.
Hey! Is it true?
If I'm not mistaken, that pant is older than Mama Jime's first son. That one inside. One pant. 8 months.
Aye! Why?
Oh. Eh? Mama, I'm not done. I gave her money.
Okay.
I gave her money.
Okay.
To buy G-string.
G-string. Now, which one is G-string? That's what you.
Sorry. It's called the sexy pant. Catapult pants. That one is just like this. V.
Okay, if you just shoot it.
Wow! It goes very sexy. When you see that pant, that is the kind of pant a woman, a young girl should wear. If you wear that pant, you see everywhere. You want to enter. You want to. You want to. The connection your daughter has with big bedsheets, big pant. Adane will never buy this kind of pant. Adane, what are you doing? Touch it. No way. Adane, what is this? Okay, I said, okay, no problem. Since the front is dry, we can't pass there. Okay, I said, let us put it from the back. Let me insert it from the back. Adane said, let me put this thing. I don't understand your daughter. First, before I show you how she position herself, see that name, Adane, let us change it. Because I think she begins to see herself like a good woman. I've never seen a woman, a young girl that likes rapper like this. Hey, let's leave that one. Oh yeah, then they set this thing. Let me enter Jerusalem from the back. Like one. I was like, are you? What is going on?
That's why I did it, Mama.
How did you do it?
It's not.
If you don't take that from my, if you don't take that nonsense from my face now, are you mad?
Mama, I did it like that.
Just like this. Then why now? Just calm down. We'll calm down. Simple thing. Just to bend. Don't you know how to bend? It just bend like. Oh!
See, Mama, that's an animal style. You see?
Hey!
Sorry.
Mama, take it easy.
We used to do it that time.
Okay. Hey! And the thing is that, Mama, I'm no longer selling her to the market. As far as I'm concerned, me and this woman don't have any connection. I'm going to work. Take your bed sheets. You perceive it, Abi? Mama, wish you good luck with your daughter.
Take care. I don't know what's going on. Simple thing, just to bend your waist like.
Mama, that's an animal style. Don't do it like that. Just do it like this.
What you need to do is
Listen, this marriage thing, it's not easy anywhere. Adan is not even making it easy for me as well.
Are you serious? She's giving you hard time to in bed?
Hard time? I asked my woman, let us do the thing from her hair. Yeah. And then they gave me froggy. You see the bending.
She gave you okay. You don't know anyone to laugh, but she gave you what?
Froggy. It was crazy. I don't even know the last time I had real love. Okay, and then they take money. Buy good panties. This sexy pant that bump show that drives guy. That kind of jeans straight. God bless you, my brother. And then they go buy bed sheets. Large panties, old ancestral panties. She will never change her pants.
Oh my goodness.
I don't understand the connection she has with big pant bed sheets.
It don't kill the vibe.
Exactly. It does, bro. You don't even do anything safe. I'm sorry, my wife is so dirty. Bro, I have never seen a young girl that loves rapper like that girl. Everywhere she goes, that rapper. From bedroom to kitchen, from that side to
wait, Emeka. You know about all these things and you lured me into marrying a sister.
Because marriage is not all about sex. Though it's essential,
Very essential.
Yes, I know. But these girls are submissive. They are loyal, they are understanding. They just want to be loved. Unlike those other ones, you know what I'm trying to say. Let's look at the brighter side. The peace they bring into your life.
Well, you're right. You're very correct. But then again, it's more than just the good girl thinking and, come on, you sabi what you talk about
now. My children, I summoned this meeting for a purpose. As you can see, both of you are married. Yeah? And as married women, you should try as much as possible to chase away rats, cockroaches, insects from your homes. Try and keep your homes. Okay? Not once something happens like this, bam, 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 you pack your things and run back to me. No, what if I'm not there? So what happens if I'm not there?
Mama, God forbid, nothing will happen to you. Mama, you want that you're not tired.
I am still talking. Shut up your mouth. And I say nothing will happen to you. You see the problem we have in marriages of these days. Yeah? People of nowadays want a perfect marriage. But there is nothing like a perfect marriage. It's you people that will make your marriage to work. Okay? What people do is, when there is a problem in their homes, instead of them to resolve it amicably, no, they will not do that. They will just pack their things, boom, and run out of the marriage. Instead of sitting back to resolve what issues they have in their homes.
So, Mama, what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that you people should learn to resolve every problem you have in your homes. Okay? Nobody will do that for you if you don't do that. Adane, you should learn to be a good girl in your home. You are a dirty girl.
Mama.
I don't mama me. You're very dirty. Learn to do exactly what your husband says you should do. If he says he wants you to be wearing G-string pants, fine, wear it. If it is catapult pants, wear catapult. Whatever he says he wants, do it the way he wants it. Who are you looking at? And you, Mama.
Mom?
And then the man, listen. Most men want to be in charge as far as sex is concerned. But some men want their women to be in charge. Yes. So you should know exactly what your husband wants and do it. If he says that he wants you to raise your leg to the heavens, do it. You may be sure again now. If he says you should turn your back, do it. Anyhow he wants it, just do it. To make sure that your marriage is working. Okay?
Mama, all this is asking me to. I don't even want me to learn all those kind of things from.
Learning is a continuous process. Gradually you will learn all of them. Now, See what I want to people to do. Tell your husband to buy you big phone. Yes, these big phones that when you browse them, you see all the things all these city girls are doing and the type of clothes they wear and how they are doing it. Okay? If you don't want that particular one, you can look out for newspapers or even magazines where you will learn how they do it and how they live their lives and how they even walk. Especially this one that doesn't know how to walk.
Mommy, I'm not crippled. Yeah, I can walk. Which one is learn how to walk again?
Did I say you're crippled? I'm saying that you don't know how to walk. You just be walking kokoro like a hooker. Learn how to walk very well and learn how to bath. You to your husband. You wear pants that is everywhere. Go everywhere.
How will I be collecting bridge if I don't wear that pants?
No, I will plug air condition in your so that you'll be collecting breeze. Nonsense.
Sister, stop slaying. It's not good. You see, if I slap you, so if Mama talk, you talk. Are you mad?
I'm only saying the same thing that Mama
exactly now. You should stop smelling. My brother dress well and fast.
What are you doing?
See how all my plated are. Let your hair that easy.
Every woman can change for better when the love is there for you. No matter who you marry, from city or village, once the love is there, she go improve. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie, oh.
Honey.
Budati, who said that? Did you just say honey? And then you said honey? Besides, who are you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
You're talking to me? Honey? Yeah! Comandante! Yeah! Wonders has ended. Hey! Honey kwa. 772 then 60.
Well, please, I need that your big phone.
My big phone?
Yes.
I don't understand. What do you want to do? Oh! Look at this one. You're late, oh. Okay, what to sell my phone? Okay, you now sell phones now. Okay, you have graduated from this outfit to selling of phones. You're late and you're failed. Because it's in the drawer, it's bad. There's nothing you can do with it. No wonder I heard, honey. That's how from where? From where to where? Honey, back. Madam, the phone is back. It's in the drawer. So there's no need. There's no use. See this one. You're late. My before no wonder I started with honey. I was like, honey, on where? Honey. For my husband and my ancestors. Not my husband. Or my ancestors. I hear honey. Wonders has ended.
Please, I need money to repair it.
It's Revi.
Wait. Is this one Adane? Someone has exchanged this girl. This is not Adane. This one is Adane or Adanono. Because the Adane that I know will never ever. Adane has issues. She and romance, anything romantic, they are having issues. She can never say honey. And she said it so polished and sexy. Honey. But what is for money to my big phone? She wants to repair it.
Hey, what's up now? You've been... Hello, Oma.
Yes.
It's over 30 minutes. What are you doing there? More so with my own phone? Are you watching a video?
Remove your trouser.
Remove my trouser. Yeah. Okay.
Wait.
Hey! What? Gee, what is wrong with you?
What?
Go. What's your problem? Eh? Like these other people take job for see and put mouth.
What did I do now?
What did you do?
Yes, it's what
You want to destroy my manhood?
I just small.
Small.
They say you bite it. It's because I don't bite it very hard the way the girl used to bite it too.
Something is wrong with you. What are you doing?
What do you mean what am I doing?
What's your problem?
What's my problem? It's something. If it's me now, you say I should arrange.
You want to destroy my manhood?
Arrange.
That's not how to do it.
Arrange yourself.
Go and learn it. When you learn it very well, you come and do it.
No, stop that.
Come on. What's your problem?
Move
Stop.
your hand now.
Dad!
Aspe, wait. Why are you calling your dad?
Dad! You want to destroy my manhood?
Why are you calling dad? You don't have shame. Something that me and you is just so small.
So that you want to destroy my manhood? You don't want me to give my father grandchildren? Come on, stop. Why are you behaving like alien? Jesus Christ, you're not a vampire.
When the love is there for you, no matter who you marry, from city or village, once the love is there, she go improve. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village wife, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village sweetie, oh, my village wifey. Oh, you see my village wife, oh, my village wifey.
You see, honey? Sorry, Adani. Are these yours?
Yes, they are mine.
It's a lie.
Hey! This one is Pinky Catapult.
Pinky Catapult. And what about this one?
That one is for my night doings.
Hey!
And I want to...
The night doings? Stop it. What are you telling me? Wonderful. That one is Pinky Catapult. This one is night doings. What did you hear that one from? And I know it's your doings. It's your doings. you. Yeah, this is good though. This is good. So is my food ready?
Yes, I was actually serving it before you called.
You are serving before I called? Go and serve. Go and serve.
Pinky Catapult.
Your night doings.
Night doings.
Get out. Body. Stop it, don't make me shy.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Let's go to the bathroom.
Let's go to where?
The bathroom for shower sex.
Shower what?
That style that you...
Are you not tired?
Tired where? Baby, we are just starting now. This is testing. Let's go.
Hey. No, we need to rest.
Okay. You've rested now. Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
I'm exhausted now.
Baby, now.
Wait now.
Please. Please now.
Say swim.
Let's just go to the... Please now.
Adane! Adane! Yeah! What's she going to say? What's going on? What's happening? Where? What are you doing? Why are you posting? I don't know. Why are you posting? Are you trying to... You got your what? Yes. Very good dress. Hey!
But I can do it. Sorry.
I'll just leave you fine. This one is fish walking though. This one is hey! I don't stand. You for guys make careful with this. Yeah. I don't know what are you doing now? What is all this one?
Sorry.
What is going on now?
Let me stand up first.
Yes! Oh look, I can't put you on the neck now.
Stand up.
What is calling for at work? Let me teach you. Stay, let you stay now. I'm tired. I can't hold myself. Let me show you now where. No, they don't need to want to teach man. How you guys, they want to teach someone this man. You can't put your leg like this. Now wait there. So let me show you. Look at it. Marry now, marry. What is this? Let's see. Look at it. What's that?
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that. So. Yeah. Come. That's small, yes. 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 When you're crossing your leg, I see you want to do someone's line. Just don't.
You're not hearing the heel. It's me that's hearing the heel.
I can really see that. This is the guy. Like that. This one well. Your hand on your waist. Hand on your waist. Your waist. Just do something. Yes. Don't need to be beating like round. Just play the number. Yeah. Yeah. Go back. Let's go back. Then you like I see demons. You are somebody. Adame! What is all this? See, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Can't walk, don't move.
Wiki. My husband. The mama. Oh, my handsome husband.
No, sorry. What is that? What is the problem? No, don't sorry, go.
No, stop.
Stop what? No, where did you learn all of this from? Go away.
Yes.
Inside where?
The bedroom.
To do what?
Baby, let's go and make babies.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can you just stop?
Why?
Eh?
Why?
I want to stay here.
You want to stay here? Only you. Okay, we can do it here now. Oh, excuse.
Daddy!
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
No, I'm not.
You're not?
At all.
No problem, so I'm not ashamed.
Can you stop? I am tired now.
You're not tired, baby.
What is your plan?
You're healed in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Let's go.
I'm praying. If someone is praying, it's not going inside there again. When you pray, you be so that to sleep.
You pray inside the bedroom.
Yeah.
God will hear it. It's
no, this one here.
Baby. Let's go make baby. No. Let's go make babies. Yes.
Daddy!
You fell on the medical. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Hey, I'm not though.
But you try, my guy. You can't carry your family, give Oma. Take it. Which guy is... What if she can't?
Are Your phone she go.
Give you shortly, come out the cap.
Now your cap they will come out, the Chris. Now your own cap they will chop and dissect them. You are very stupid. No be you advise me, say make I put them through. No be you give me the advice. Hey, lecturer. Na small. No be me the teacher.
You never work, is me wrong.
Emeka, just stay.
I know what they imagine. I just see things on the job. In the push where I come.
I will flog his boat. I will just kill her. I will kill her. She of course.
But you don't mind though. But village girl may give you. Me, I don't think much higher. Meanwhile, I say just give me. They give me frog.
No be you advise me say make I put am through. Yeah, you don't forget to give me the advice. Make I put am through. No be the trunk put am through.
Dad, this one you're not saying anything to me. Dad, it's about Oma. I'm not understanding anymore. The way Oma does this thing, like there's no tomorrow, back to back. From the bedroom to the bathroom, from the bathroom to the bedroom, on top of the fridge, the shelf, everywhere. From morning to night, she eats this thing like it's food. Oma will kill me in this house, so Dad, you're not saying anything. Dad, come on, I am your son. Don't cry when anything happens to me. She wants to kill me before my time.
Baby! Baby, where are you now? Baby!
Mommy.
No.
Mommy. Mommy.
I can't get it.
We are not understanding your daughters. We are not understanding your daughters anymore. And I think it's something that you need to address before one of us ends up with our ancestors.
Hey, what do you mean by ending up with your ancestors? How? I don't understand.
Mommy, your daughter Oma, I'm not understanding anymore. Our drive for lovemaking is alarming. Like the way she eats this thing now, like no tomorrow.
What is?
She's eating the thing and eating it very well and over eating it from morning till night. I don't understand.
Okay.
The energy is top notch and it's becoming scary.
No, I'm sorry, Let
me talk my own. As you see me now, I told me. Mama. As they see me like this now, my eye they told me. I know they see where.
Why now?
Because I'm short of blood. No blood.
Don't you eat vegetables?
Mama, I do. I love vegetables. I do eat vegetables, Mama. Adane, your daughter, she has soaked everything dry. What is going on now? Let's leave that side. Let's talk about the way she dresses nowadays. I don't understand what is going on. Adane, I don't understand her. She dresses fine now. But the thing is too much. She's exposing the places I paid for. Everybody, everywhere.
Hey, he's making her do.
No, Mama, no, this one is too much. These things are private something. You get me? And the bedside, bedroom side, she's doing well. But Mama, this thing is too much. Now, too much of everything is bad. I am not a government. This is not a government work. And I don't work in the government office now.
But I thought you like it. Now you were asking her for G-string and
G-string is in there now. That one is interior. She's bringing the exterior out. I paid for these things. For my personal view alone. This is too much.
Oh, Mali Chambu. Oh. Yeah, Apugo.
Baby, you left now. You left the house without telling your wife that you're leaving. So, Papa did say that you're coming to see Mama. And me now, I've decided to come and collect my husband because I've been sitting in the room waiting since and I don't see him. Baby, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Brother Emeka, why are you sweating?
I'm sweating?
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
No, never. How are you? Hey, I'm fine. Oh my God. You're looking sexy. Sexy.
My baby. My baby. Yes. How are you?
I was about to leave you though.
You're about to leave.
Mama, this your house is strong now.
You're just noticing it.
Baby, it's just that I felt like we should go and try out the cold water shower. I tested it and it's cold, but I feel like if we test it together, both of us inside the shower.
All the necessary. The weather is too hot.
Very hot. Very, very hot. The weather is very hot. Yes. It's only hot.
I was missing you.
Okay.
And I was at the same time I was very hungry. So I said to myself, why don't I come and get you so that we'll go and eat before we eat?
Okay.
Very essential.
Mama,
Yes,
did you hear that one now? Did you hear that? Which one is eat before eating again? Or after?
Normal eating things.
It's true.
Very essential.
Before we test the shower, after we test the shower, is after we test the shower. You eat. I made something.
You can eat inside the shower.
So that it will not be cold. You will eat. It's very important. Mama, you gave them food.
We ate it. Mama gave us food now.
I did not give them any food.
The food I made for you is really cold. Let's go. Mama, did you give him food?
We ate here now. We ate here now. Mama gave us food.
Mama, I did not give them it. When did I give you food?
You're hungry then.
Go home and eat. Go home and eat the food your wife prepared for you. Mama,
can we have one-on-one? Let's talk.
No, my mother wants to
Just go.
Mama, go and rest.
Make your wife stay now.
She's so tired.
Mama, I'm tired. Leave me alone.
Mommy.
Please come now. I've been eating now. I've been eating. Mommy.
Mama said we should go home.
Mommy.
Carry me.
What is all this one now? Mama, what is all this one again now?
Hey. Now you have arrived. You see that they are running away from my daughter's home. Before they were complaining, she's not wearing G-string, she cannot do it, she doesn't know how to raise leg. Get her! See, even the mechanic they complain. Yo. Hey! Odogu, Umuaka, Ida. Let me see how they will bring you people back to my house again.
Every woman can change for better when the love is there for you. No matter who you marry, from city or village, once the love is there, she go improve. When you see my village wifey, oh, my village wifey. When you see my village honey, oh, my village wifey. When you see my village sweetie, oh, my village wifey. When you see my village wife, oh, my village wifey. When you see my village